Here's a salad that'll change your life. Der Weisheit Letzter Schluss. I probably massacred that. First, a cool cider trick. Put a bottle of your favorite hard cider in a pot. You can use apple juice in a pinch. Add a little bit of sugar. Alright, cook that over medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reduces to about 1/3 of a cup. Pour it into a jar and let it cool. Once it cools in the fridge, you'll have a thick and sticky apple honey. Use it like you would regular honey, like making a tasty vinaigrette. In a jar goes a little apple cider vinegar, some brown mustard, don't measure it, just eyeball it, and some olive oil. Oh, and some of that apple honey we just done made. Oh, and some salt and pepper too. Lid it up and shake. Keep it in the fridge until it's ready to use. Okay, soft-boiled egg. Get a 1/2 inch of water to a boil. Carefully place your egg in. Boil for 6 minutes and 20 seconds exactly. Remove to a bowl of ice water. Set it aside. Alright, peel some Yukon Gold potatoes. Then chop them into large chunks. Like this. Alright, we're going to steam these for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the taters are easily pierced by a knife. Place your cooked potatoes in a bowl and add 1½ tablespoons of that vinaigrette we just made. Stir to combine and season to taste with salt and pepper. Allow to cool. In the meantime, let's prep everything else. Take some pineapple slices and punch out some stars. You could freeform if your knife skills are good. Mine aren't there yet. Lastly, tear off a few pieces of green leaf lettuce. Let's assemble! First, arrange your lettuce on a plate. Then arrange your pineapple stars. Then fan out some red apples. Any red apple works here, except for Red Delicious, which tastes like garbage. Then, spoon on some of that tasty potato salad. And your sliced soft-boiled egg. Sprinkle on some chopped parsley. And season your eggs. Oh, and drizzle on some more of that dressing. When you eat it, try to get a little bit of everything with every bite. It's a composed salad. That's the be-all and end-all of wisdom. And it's yummy! If you liked the video, make sure to click like. It helps my channel grow. Also, check out these playlists. I think you'll like them. Don't forget to subscribe. There are more Genshin Impact treats coming. See you next time. Bye!